Regularly touch base with your colleagues to see how they're doing both mentally and physically. Simple check-ins can make a big difference. Be aware of changes in your co-workers' behaviour or performance that might indicate fatigue. This could include a lack of focus, irritability, or frequent yawning. Encourage everyone to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to tiredness and reduced concentration. Remind each other to take short breaks to rest and recharge. Even a brief walk or stretch can help alleviate fatigue. Share tips on maintaining a balanced diet and getting enough sleep. These factors can significantly impact overall well-being and work performance. Before starting work in a new field or when there's significant change in the work, make sure to participate in toolbox talks. These should be held at least weekly during peak operational periods for all workers to ensure ongoing awareness and adherence to safety protocols. Develop and implement clear communication protocols to ensure that all team members are informed and can relay important information effectively throughout the work process. Always wear a high visibility shirt or vest and safety footwear whenever you're outside of vehicles. This helps ensure you are easily seen and protected, reducing the risk of accidents on site. Workers should review the proposed plan for the day or shift to ensure they're aware of tasks, priorities, and any specific safety considerations for that period. Always review the site map before commencing work. Identify and note key features such as power poles, washouts, dams, trees, and roads to ensure you're aware of potential hazards and can navigate the site safely. Each morning before starting work, check your emails for any safety alerts and weather updates. Staying informed about potential hazards and changing weather conditions will help you prepare and adjust your work plans accordingly. Conduct daily pre-start inspections on all relevant plant and equipment. Document these inspections in Gearbox at least once per week to ensure ongoing safety and operational efficiency. Verify that all safety guards are properly installed and in place to protect against potential hazards. Confirm that emergency stop buttons, if fitted, are functioning correctly and are easily accessible. This ensures quick response in case of an emergency. Immediately report any faults or issues with plant and equipment to the farm manager. If any plant or equipment is found to be unsafe for use, tag it out to prevent further use until it's been properly repaired or inspected. Operators are permitted to operate only the plant and equipment that they've been specifically authorised to use following a verification of competency. Always maintain 3 points of contact, 2 hands and 1 foot, or 2 feet and 1 hand when entering or exiting machinery to ensure stability and prevent falls. Start the fire trucks each morning and ensure that they're fully stocked with water. This routine helps ensure that they are ready for immediate use in case of a fire emergency. Ensure that all employees have a clear understanding of the fire plan and are familiar with their specific duties and responsibilities. This ensures effective and coordinated action in the event of a fire emergency. Ensure that all vehicles are equipped with fully serviceable fire extinguishers and first aid kits. Automated external defibrillators should be stored in the fire truck on site for quick access in case of an emergency. Regularly review the moisture content and communicate the findings to the farm manager for approval before proceeding with work. Ensure that any dew that has settled overnight has evaporated or dried out before starting work to prevent safety hazards and operational issues. Agree on the harvest plan and establish the approach routes for chaser bins to reach mother bins. This ensures efficient and safe movement during the harvest process. Ensure that sufficient lighting is set up for all night shift activities. Proper lighting is crucial for safety and effective work performance during nighttime operations. Setting up exclusion zones around machinery in operation is crucial for ensuring safety in any environment where heavy equipment or machinery is being used. To ensure safety around machinery, it's essential to establish protocols for allowing pedestrians to approach machinery. Specify that machinery must be stationary and turned off if applicable before anyone on foot can approach. The farm manager should assess the current field conditions, crop health, and operational goals before setting the cutting height. Continuous adjustment of the header height will be required with field changes. Different crops may require different operating speeds due to their unique characteristics. Adjust speeds based on moisture content. Wet crops may require slower speeds to prevent clogging, while dry crops might handle higher speeds. Adjust speeds according to the terrain. This ensures the header is secured and not in operation while you're dealing with a blockage. Move the harvester to a place where it will not pose a hazard to others or obstruct operations. This is crucial for preventing accidental starts and ensuring safety while working on the machine. Always ensure that you have assistance when dealing with a blockage. Notify the farm manager or a designated person immediately if you encounter a blockage. The farm manager will act as a spotter and oversee the situation, ensuring safety and maintaining communication with the harvester operator. This alerts everyone nearby that the machine is about to be restarted, enhancing safety. Operators are prohibited from using mobile phones while operating machinery unless using a hands-free device. PTO shafts rotate at high speeds and can cause severe injuries if contacted. Loose clothing, long hair or jewellery can become entangled in the PTO shaft, leading to accidents. Where practical, approach the header from directly behind to align with the unloading auger. Maintain a steady and smooth approach to ensure safe and efficient loading. Establish clear communication with the header operator and use proper signalling during the process. Maintain a safe distance to avoid contact while ensuring that the chaser bin is close enough for efficient loading. Adjust the speed of the chaser bin to match the speed of the harvester. This ensures that the unloading auger is properly aligned and prevents spillage or delays. Harvester to fill the chaser bins from front to the back. Loading should take place clear of overhead power line corridors and away from power poles. To ensure a smooth and efficient harvesting process, it's crucial that the harvester operator promptly inform the chaser bin operators when the chaser bin is full. To ensure safety and efficiency during the unloading process, it's critical that the chaser bin operator avoids loading over the top of truck cabs with the auger extended. This can prevent accidents, damage, and ensure a smooth operation. Where trucks are being loaded, they should remain stationary. Ensuring the safety of truck drivers during the unloading process is crucial to preventing accidents and maintaining an efficient workflow. Truck drivers should generally remain in their cabs for their safety, except for specific tasks like collecting paperwork and performing truck inspections. Parking is prohibited directly behind or near active machinery. Covering bins with tarps when rain is expected is a crucial practice to protect the contents and maintain the quality of the stored material. All tarps should be deployed from ground level. At no point should personnel climb up onto or into bins. When operating combinations of vehicles that exceed specific dimensions, such as 3.7 metres in width and 25 metres in length, a pilot vehicle is often required to ensure safe movement on gazetted roads. Using compliant flags and signs to indicate the extremities of a vehicle and its load is crucial for safety. Pilot vehicles should be dedicated to their role and should not be used to tow trailers or carry additional loads. Park the machinery in a safe, designated location. Ensure the area is flat, stable, and provides clear visibility to avoid accidental collisions. Use the ignition switch or key to turn off the engine. Park machinery in a position so your first movement after refueling is in a forward direction if practical. Ensuring that operators are out of the cab during refueling operations is a critical safety measure to prevent accidents and injuries. Always switch off machinery during refueling. No smoking or using mobile phones when refueling. Fuel volumes are to be recorded and any spills cleaned up. This alerts everyone nearby that the machine is about to be restarted, enhancing safety. Machinery is not to move until the operator has accounted for and can visually see all other persons in the immediate area. All cabs must be cleaned at the end of every shift. Blowing down machinery at the end of the day is a key maintenance practice that helps keep equipment in optimal working condition. It involves using compressed air to remove dust, debris and other contaminants that can accumulate during operation. Only wash down in designated areas to prevent contamination and the spread of weeds. Shining a light on harvest safety and well-being.